You see I got this black stuff. It's all over the dishwasher. And so I started wondering what it would be, because it's been going on for a while now. And this used to be a bathroom, used to be a sink here. And so the plumbing's underneath where the sink used to tie in. And they ran the dishwasher through the wall, and this is the dishwasher drain. And so I thought, well, I wonder if this, I know these cast iron pipes hold a bunch of crud, and I'm wondering if that crud's blowing back. So I got to fooling with it the other day, and this thing started moving. Let me get my flashlight. But that pipe is broke right at that joint. So that pipe is broke right there, and that's this is the vent that they've added. And so whenever my dishwasher drains, it's probably running in the floor over there. So we've got to relocate the dishwasher. Alright guys, before the kiddos get home, I want to try to conclude this video. So I want to show you what we did. This is the drain hose from the dishwasher. Connected it there, come around behind the back of these cabinets. So you can see I did what they considered a high loop. you go up above the sink drain and come down. This will keep trash and stuff from backflowing into your dishwasher. We kept the original P-trap. We added everything from here up to the sink drains. All this was in one piece from Home Depot, and it come with the little nipple there for the dishwasher drain. And so now, hopefully, this will eliminate the black stuff that we're seeing in our washing machine, and it just be a better overall system. Make our washing machine last longer. Hope you found these things helpful. Hit that like, subscribe button. Have a good one.